Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wens Tarot, and this is your love and work forecast for Aries. If your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Aries, this reading is for you. If you know an Aries, you can cross watch it for them, friends. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wens Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram, and if you subscribe, you get a chance to win a free reading. Details are in the description box. And to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com. And thank you so much if you donated to our channel. Thank you so much. And thank you so much, everybody who wished me birthday wishes. Thank you so much. I love you all. Trust me, I love you all. And I'm deeply thanking you all from my heart, from my soul. And let's see, Aries. I tried replying back to you all. I'm still in the process of covering it. So let's see, Aries. What is the theme of the month? For Aries, theme of the month. Okay. Wow, lots of cards jumped out. Let's take them. So, celebrations. Wow, Aries, celebrations are coming your way. I do see some sort of a function, some sort of a celebration, some happy moments coming your way, something to feel excited about, your wishes coming true. This is the month your wishes are going to come true. This is the month where you will feel very connected to your soul, to your wishes, to your intuition, to your creativity. Very good month. And also, this is the month of wedding bells for some of you. If you are single, marriage is on your mind, commitment is on your mind. You could be dealing with a twin flame reunion, or a union may happen. Something fated, something destined is going to happen. Also, money is coming your way, Aries. Loads and loads and loads of money. Woo! Wow, Aries. I'm like, wow, you have everything coming. Yeah. Some of you may be getting actually married this month, or maybe someone in the family is. So you're preparing for it, a big celebration, a big marriage. I also feel you could be getting inheritances or money from family, or, within the family. So that is also there, family, money, celebrations. Good, good going, Aries. Let's see your love life. What happened in the past for Aries in their love life? Who? Seven of Swords. Someone was cheating. Someone was not being honest. Someone ghosted you. Someone blocked you. Someone was like, yeah, acting smart. Who is this? Queen of Cups, a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. I feel, Aries, you are in love with this person, but this person is very confusing. You don't know whether to trust them or not to trust them. They are sometimes loving you, sometimes they are like, I don't know what's going on. Queen of Pentacles. They could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. I also feel, Aries, you could be dealing with someone who was keeping you in a third party, or maybe a family member was becoming a third party in your connection. So yeah, definitely a lot is happening in your past. Things were not so great, some confusion, some ghosting. You were not able to trust your person, but still the relationship was quite good. The connection, the attraction, the you might be twin flames with your person, or you might be in a very strong marriage or commitment with this person. Let's see what's happening currently for Aries. Oh my god, you are struggling a little, Aries. You both don't trust each other. Even if you are single, you are like, will you find someone who is the right one for you? You're struggling a little in trusting people around you. And if you have a lover like this one in the past, you are struggling to trust them. And also, there is a no contact situation. You are in long distance, no contact with them. I do feel your person wants to expand this connection, this relationship. You also want to expand this connection, your love life. What will happen in the future in February for Aries? Ooh, the Knight of Swords. So messages are coming. A lot of messages, a lot of news. Quick changes are coming. So get ready. Excitement. Something is going to happen which will make you happy. Celebrations, news, meetings, plans. What else? The King of Swords. Wow. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person again. I do feel your person is going to show themselves in a mature way to you. They're gonna be honest and fair to you, and they're gonna make you very happy. You might be having some messages or dates with them, or some talks. I also feel some of you may be having a new partner also. A new person is also coming, so that is also there. So let's see who is coming towards Aries. Seven of Pentacles. Yeah, someone you are waiting for. Someone you are waiting for, they are gonna make a move towards you, yes, in February. And they might not be very lovey-dovey, but I do feel they're gonna talk and message you. Nine of Swords. Yeah, someone who has a lot of anxiety, who has a lot of extra energy, hyper energy. That person, someone who has health issues, anxiety, stress, depression, or someone you keep thinking about constantly, you constantly think about them, Aries. That person is coming towards you. Yeah, King of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Here also there was a king, the Queen of Cups, person from your past. They are coming towards you. So what will block you? Let's see, Aries. Okay, Three of Pentacles. I think there is a third party. There are a lot of people affecting this connection. Maybe you both are married, or there is a third party like family, friends, different religion, cultures. I also feel you could be in different cities that's affecting this connection. So also your person doesn't want to cooperate with you. They are behaving in a very arrogant or a little logical way, and rather than an emotional way. That will act as a block in this month. And look at that, the Magician. Yeah, you can't understand your person. So you are like, your person, you are trying to manifest them. They are trying to manifest you, but you are not able to trust. You feel your person is like, they keep changing their thoughts, their words, their promises, so you don't know what to do with them. So that's acting as a block. Let's see what's a blessing for you, Aries. The World. Some changes are coming, some healing will happen. I do feel that your person will try to get out of their comfort zone and make an effort to win your heart. Yeah, a clear breakthrough will happen. I also feel that if you are in a third party, you might want to step out and go on your own, or find or move to a better marriage or relationship, because it is like someone has to break free. Someone has to step out of their comfort zone and speak clearly, and breakthroughs are coming. You will get clarity what you need to do in February. Some changes are coming. Some communications are also coming. Yeah, this is your divine masculine or divine feminine twin flame. They are going to message you. So some sort of a union is coming, a celebration. Let's see your work and career. Let's see that, Aries. Let's see, take some advice for you first, and then we're gonna see your work and career. Wow, accelerated motion. Yeah, twin flame union is coming towards you, Aries. Union with your soulmate, union with your perfect. If you are single, you are attracting someone new, someone that's destined. So your love life is actually becoming very accelerated. Sacrifice, hanged man. Yeah, things are testing your patience, and this month may actually test your patience, but you will find the rewards, you will find the success, you will achieve. You just a little bit of patience can bring you a lot of love this month. And seeing things in a different way, like if something is not going as per plan, it means something is going as per the divine's plan. Obstacles and challenges, yeah, there will be some disappointments, or some, you know your person is in a very they are in a very happy mood. I don't know how shall I put it. You are in a very committed and stable position, Aries, and you want marriage, stability, marriage or commitment, and they are like, yeah, I want to play, I want to be this, I want to be forever in love rather than in a relationship, or forever in a marriage, commitment. They want to love you for life, but you want that marriage for life. It's the same thing, but it's like this, not the same thing. You want marriage, they want love, they want to love you forever. You want to be stay with them forever. So something is there, some things which need to tweak. Let's see your work and career, Aries, in February. Who foundations and achievement, four of wands again. So yeah, I do feel Aries, your work will be going very nicely. It will be stable, it will be safe, and you will be getting you will enjoy your work. There won't be many changes. You might be working from home also, and you might start enjoying it also. Third eye chakra, yeah, your intuition will be spot on. You will have lot of ideas. Your creativity is very high. The star, you're very creative. You have a lot of ideas. If you are a student, your ideas are a lot about how you can study, and you should use that. Also, you should listen to your intuition. Some things may, your intuition will guide you what to do, what not to do in your work, in your career and studies. So listen. Discontentment and boredom, yeah, some of you may get bored because, like, everything is too perfect in your work, or if it's going very steady, it's going very slowly. You might want more excitement in your work or career, even if you are like, you are bored of studying the same subject, so you want something new. I would say listen to your intuition, because this can be like putting yourself, just because you are bored of something does not mean it's not working for you, right? Some things are working for you. Your career is going good, it's stable, but you are like, nah, I want something. You feel ambitious, you want to take a risk. Patience and planning. Take a risk, but plan it. Be patient about it. So, you have to plan your career and your studies, and don't take any risky moves just because you are bored. So, let's see some extra messages. I forgot to take the extra messages. Let's take them. Aries, for Aries, how the month will be for Aries. Okay, let's take them all. There are a lot of messages coming. I feel they are important. That's why they all want to jump out. Let's take them. Because you have some things going on and your intuition is warning you. So let's see what it is. Peacock, be aware of great pride. Yeah, you might want to change some things in your work and career just because it makes it what you it boosts your ego. You are very ambitious. Don't do that. Whale, great worry over nothing. Yeah, you're worried about money coming in. It's gonna come in slowly but surely. Mountain road, you are on the road to success. Yeah, this is the road you are going to achieve your success. Tankard, celebrations, yeah, this is the theme of the month. Celebrations, happiness, success coming your way. Family matters are important to you, yes. Sun, happiness and well-being, you are going to achieve your health improvements. Improve health will improve this month. Secrets can harm you, yeah, that's what I'm saying. You may not be able to see the competition around you at your work or in your career, in your studies, but there are people working. They want what you have, so be careful. Teardrops, great sorrow. Something will make you cry also this month. Wedge, a misunderstanding, probably with a lover or a family member. Success, a lot of success in your work. July is important. Love is important, so love is coming your way. Rose, romance is in the air. See, so much of sexuality, attraction, passion. An older woman is important. Purse, pay attention to your finances. Yeah. Mule, someone is extremely stubborn and unwilling. Yeah, you may feel your person is behaving a little fixed. Woman, a woman is important. April is important. So July and April are important, and victory is coming in some project for you. So that's it, Aries. What an amazing month for you. Subscribe Magic Wens Tarot, like and share. Join us on Insta. Bye for now.